Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Visual Boy Advance and immediately opening the input settings. This is where control mapping lives. Once the emulator is open, choose Options then Joypad and pick Configure for Player 1 or Player 2. Make sure a controller is connected or decide to use keyboard keys. You're doing this first so the emulator recognizes inputs and shows current bindings. It saves time by avoiding trial and error later when you remap buttons. Now map each button one at a time. Click a field for a B, Start, select D-pad directions, then press the controller button or keyboard key you want. Once done, confirm that common groupings, like a /B near each other and Start/Select reachable, match your hand habits so gameplay stays natural. If you prefer the D-pad on the left or arrow keys, change that here. After mapping, load a game and pause to test inputs without interrupting progress. Finish by saving the configuration and returning to your game. Once saved, unpause and test every mapped control in actual gameplay to confirm responsiveness and no double binds. If buttons feel unresponsive or overlap with hotkeys, reopen input settings and tweak conflicting assignments or switch to a different key. If nothing registers, make sure controller drivers are installed and recognized by your OS. Reinstall drivers or try a different UI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.